I'm Haris from Tadka Twist Kids, and today I will be showing you guys how to make Pav Bhaji. Pav Bhaji is one of my favorite foods I've ever had, and I'm pretty sure all of you guys will like it. So let's get started. So first we have two fresh cut bell peppers, some cut cauliflowers, 2 potatoes, and 1.5 cup of green peas, and 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be pouring all of this into the pressure cooker. So let's do that. Now we're going to be pouring in the green peas. We're going to sprinkle the salt over all this. And now we're going to pour in 1 cup of water. Perfect. Stop. Now I'm going to close this, and we are going to be letting it cook for 8 whistles on the pressure cooker. Okay, so we now have our boiled vegetables. We have 2 medium finely chopped tomatoes. We have 2 finely chopped onions, 1.5 tablespoon of Pav Bhaji masala. I used MDH brand, but you could use any brand you want. We have 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We have 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We have 1 tablespoon of the dhania powder, and now we have 1 tablespoon of salt. So let's get started, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. bhaji is ready. Bhaji, pour it into a bowl in a plate, like so. You're going to keep on doing that. Make sure you don't spill any. Okay, now that that's done, you're going to want to take some butter, put it right in the middle. Then you're going to take some limes, and with the lime, you're going to want to squeeze it on it just for some taste. It tastes better when you do this. Just squeeze it around. And you want to take some coriander chopped and just put it around the place. And then you want to take some fresh chopped onion and do the same thing. And ta-da! It's all ready. So now you're just going to take some of this, put it like this, dip it in, make sure you get a good bit of the bhaji, and then, so good.